Myself Manjushree AG. I'm from civil background and I joined Qspiders in the month of September, and I recently placed in the top of the MNC company, that is in the month of December. And basically SQL was started by Sunil sir. It was very fun and classes were very fun, and then later on Pradeep sir and sponsors started manual testing. I'm from civil background, so I thought it would be very difficult. Later on, when the classes were going on, I felt very easy while learning software testing. Then Java, I completed by Shankar sir. I got placed in top of the MNC company in the month of December. Thank you.